Right then, I've took the 2 screws out. Now we just need to lift the circuit board up. After the knob has fallen off the front, which is fine. Now then, let's turn it over. In there you've got the switch and the bottom part of the controller. This plastic piece here is the offending part for the lock. So just remove that off the switch and put your switch back where it was, else it won't line up with that. Right, that's it done. Put this back on the correct way, which I haven't. That's the correct way. Like that. Just hold it solid and test your switch. No, it's not connecting. I see the problem. It's not long enough. Right then, different approach. Let's put the red plastic piece back on how it was, which was like that. And what we will do is we'll get a pair of cutters and cut it off like that. Done. Right, that should give us the height back for the switch, because technically that's as it was. Well, let's have a look. That's in position. That's better. Right. Let's just put... Right then, the 2 screws are back in. Let's have a look. Switch on the front. Oh, yes, that's clicking nice and freely now. Yes, we'll put the knob back on, which is quartered, as you can see, and it goes on there. Like so forth. Right, when the power technically is on, you can still now flick the switch. What a difference that'll make. Brilliant. Right, now we just got to put the cover back on, remembering not to trap the cable. It's very difficult doing this one-handed. Obviously, you will have 2 hands to do it when you do it. Right, let's put this cover back on, which should be relatively easy, but again, I'm doing it one-handed. That's it. You stick the 2 tabs in there. Sorry about the lighting. Let's get this cable in line. There's a little notch. You can't see it. Little notch. The cable goes there. If we can get the focus right. Yeah, we got that. See it better now? Right, then it all pushes forward and clips in. There we go. Just put your screws back in. JD, job done. Thank you.